Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, before we get into the reasoning, daily available worldwide right here on the platform. Make sure say you stream Little Vybz latest track. Play Our Song by Vybz Kartel, available on the Vybz Kartel Radio Vivo page. Make sure you check it out as well. Now, the significance of supporting these tracks is that you are supporting the next generation of dancehall music. I did tell you, dancehall can't stall, and this is what we mean. Adding new talent, not just new artists, but also new executives. Adiana Music has been launched, and Play Our Song is on that production label, viewers and subscribers. Little Addy, the next generation of dancehall music. Palmer Legacy, support the tracks. Now, Spotify viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is now officially the most streamed and most famous dancehall artist on the Spotify platform. And yes, I am completely correct. Reggae is not dancehall. Vybz Kartel is categorized as the king of the dancehall genre and as a reggae and dancehall fusion artist. This means Vybz Kartel makes world music. You can see him featured with any artist of any genre. We see him recently with the Germans. We see him with the Africans. We see him with the rappers. We see him with the singers. We see him with Nicky them. Vybz Kartel music can be featured with any genre of music out there. Now let's talk about some Spotify numbers, viewers and subscribers. International Criminal is at 3.2 million streams currently. We're not talking about since last. Remember, this track was released this month overall, so we need not forget too much into the details with this track in specific. Fever, yes, is at 51 million streams. 0.82. I will not talk overall. We are talking since this year 2020. Remember, this track is on its way to being platinum certified. It's already gold. It is already gold, and it is going platinum soon and very soon. Coloring this life is going gold as well. Shape Nice, another international feature. Yes, with Afrobeat. See it, we see Vybz Kartel even featured with the Afrobeat artist at 8 million streams. Come home. Yeah, let's something make him say come home. Yes, are you alone? Sit down on the something like say. At 5 million streams, viewers and subscribers. Since here. Cute Rider at 400,000 streams since it has been released. What about Spotify charts, viewers and subscribers, and that platform in specific? Since the advent of technology, musicians have taken, I would say, musicians have taken into consideration the fact that the youth, this generation of people, are more in tune with technology as opposed to the existing media. As opposed to getting your hits from looking at the charts, listening to the radio, people are streaming the music themselves. So if they have a favorite artist, it doesn't matter which song the radio disc jocks choose to play. Them know where them can get feed them music and play it. As a matter of fact, them buy the album, them buy the singles, and them have these singles on their devices. Now, artists who have failed to acknowledge the fact that it is not just about trending on any platform. It's about putting out music that people are willing to purchase. It's about creating a legacy and a platform for yourself that people are willing to support you and your endeavors because they know how beneficial it is for the music on a whole. Majority of these big names in international music, you know much other artists them help. Even though it might not be their decision, because majority of the big names that you know, if I tell you to call some superstars right now, all of the names you're gonna call, I'm gonna say it, almost all of the names that you will call are signed to some major label. Them signed to some major record label somewhere. And majority of the names you can call is either you call some hip hop stars or some R&B and some pop stars. May I talk the truth? Very few people mention the people who are dominating in the Latin market. Very few people mention the names that are dominating in the Afro beat market. And may I tell you, say, yo, the music is popping. Oh, we know? Check the YouTube platform for these Latin music. You have a track named Boom Tam Tam Tam. It's about, I don't know how much billion it they do currently. I'm not going to tell you a number specifically, currently. But it's over the billion mark. Them songs in the ramp get 1 billion views. The people in the ramp make all different kind of parody video for them, all different kind of choreography, all kind of different reactions. People choreograph them on dancing to the tracks. Same thing with Afrobeat. But people don't acknowledge the fact that dancehall music not only help these other genres of music, but are not being supported by local stakeholders. Notice, in the dancehall music currently, we see Bogdanovich forward in the dancehall industry. And make some good changes, now go around here. I'll talk about like shows like Sting when Sting did a key, shows like Sunfest, you know what I mean? We see bring certain things that make it have a first world look. Very few stakeholders are willing to do that. Make an investment in a dancehall music, even though they were Jamaicans. The person fought from way over Europe, come see what we have, show him appreciation feet. And most people act like they don't want to acknowledge that. The strength where our music, reggae and dancehall receive. We're not going to go around here. A strong majority of it is from the international market. Ask the reggae superstar them. And where you feel like them go make them millions? You feel like reggae superstars stay locally and make millions? Them would have starved. Them have to go over Europe. And Europeans have booked them for these big shows. So people are going like, so they don't want to acknowledge the international attention towards the music. And I make it look like, say, oh, you know what I mean? It's us against them. No, one music. One dancehall, one reggae. You have reggae superstars from Europe. You have dancehall superstars from all across the world. See how Trinidad do dancehall. You feel like I want to tell them to stop? No, I listen to Prince Swan in music. I want dancehall music. There is no Trini dancehall. There are just Trini dancehall stars or sensations. But there's no Trini dancehall. One dancehall will make it and we not give it up. There's no European reggae. One reggae. We not give a reggae and dance. We not give a ska mento neither. We still have a lamp on ska and mento. It still play on Sunday on Cool 95 FM. We not give it up. We are talking about Spotify charts, viewers and subscribers, keeping in focus with the reasoning. Notice, some of the other artists who like to make claims, who like to make statements in the media. Check them chart history. Check how much people are support their music. Check how well their music is doing internationally. And you would be surprised. A matter of fact, if you check these stats, the next time you see them make a statement, you gotta tell them say you don't talk. You gotta tell them say for lack chat. If you check their stats, the next time you see them make some statements on IG, even being a fan of them, you gotta tell them say, what you know? Go and make some music, go and drop some hits so we can talk about that. Because what you are talking about is not relevant. And the fact that they can't prove your statements, that's even worse. The fact that you don't want to say one of the hottest dancehall artists and one of the hottest this and only can't prove the statements. Nobody internationally now can tackle enough for no feature. So one of the hottest dancehall artists and nobody overseas now linking up for even a jingles. I can't understand this. I want to even have travel documents to travel go overseas. So all overseas and no big foreign artists now feature on up on the track. The teacher they behind the bars and people are lining up a feature with it. Behind the bars means them now can't the music video. Normally when somebody feature an artist, they want them to do a few things. They want them to put the song out on them platform just for sure for them fans they are a part of that project. And them also want them to be a part of the music video. While the song can be shared on Vybz Kartel's platform, you cannot be a part of the music video. You can have representation theme though. Know what I mean? Get in the Gaza nation representation strong. Sick a candidate, little Vybz, little Addy, any one of the nation members can be there. Even I candidate. But he himself will not be there. And people still line up right around Spanish Town Correctional Facility block just for getting contact with the teacher. for a feature. Musical and dancehall music, undisputed. The champion. Spotify charts are approved that platforms that people are go to stream music. Remember, you can locally realize that dancehall music I get a different revolution from the international media conglomerates. They pay a different attention to dancehall music because they realize the majority of the other emerging sounds have their roots in a dancehall music, and they wonder why dancehall music now pop a certain way. It's like dancehall music are one of the best kept secrets in the music. I don't know why, but I think because there's no strong support from local stakeholders, them still talk about the 90s. We can never get the 90s for return in the 2000s. Nor are we trying to do that as a movement right now. So for all of the stakeholders in the dancehall music, we continuously talk about the 90s. Yes, big up 90s artists, 90s producers and all their achievements of the people who do music in the 90s. But this is the 21st century, man. Get with the program and get lost. Vice the one called Jayden, she is the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, click subscribe, click the bell icon. This is how you'll be notified of all fresh content. Yeah, man, I'll move settings from I wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and girls that wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.